Hey, what's going on? You're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Donald Duck. I'm very excited. I hope you guys are as well. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of drawing paper, and you'll need a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. You will need 2 shades of yellow today. You will need 2 shades of blue today. And we're going to need a maroon, a red, and an off pink. Well, I think we can do really great. Let's go try to draw Donald Duck and let's see what we can come up with. For the first step of making this character, we're going to make one curved line. From that curved line, we're going to make a few hair pieces coming from it. Now we're going to make similar to a rectangular-like shape that will connect over to the right side. After that, we're going to make the top of Donald Duck's hat. Now for the face, we're going to make one curved line coming down on each side. We're going to make one squiggle line going from left to right. Then we'll make one more curved line, which will be Donald Duck's bill. Underneath of the bill, we're going to make a U-like shape that will connect over to the right side. Fantastic! Now we're going to make oval-like shapes above the bill, which will be Donald Duck's eyes. We're going to fill the inside corners of each eye black. This will be Donald Duck's pupils. Now below Donald Duck's face, we're going to make his bow. Now we're going to connect his bow to his bill. We're going to make one line coming down from the right side of the bow. To make the torso, we're going to make one curved line from the bow. Then we're going to make one curved line going to that line we just made. On the left side, we're going to make another line that we're going to connect. This is coming along very well. Now we're starting to make Donald Duck's left arm and hand. We're going to give Donald Duck a total of 4 fingers. Back on the right side, we're going to make it appear as if his hand is on his hip. Now on the lower half, we're going to begin to make Donald Duck's left leg and his left foot. Now we're going to do the same thing to the right side that we just did to the left side. On the left side, we're going to add a little bit of fur. Now we're going to move back up top and we're going to shade in part of Donald Duck's hat black. This is How to Draw Donald Duck. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in Donald Duck with us.